What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video I showed you guys how to make this gorgeous pearl belly chain. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these cross pearl earrings in just under a couple minutes using one simple step. Let's get right into how to create these gorgeous earrings. I first wanted to show you guys how these earring pieces come in two different sizes. The CZ on this one has more of an oval shape versus the one on the right has more of a square shape. For this piece, I'm actually going to be using this style. They come two pairs in a pack, so you can make two pairs of earrings with each pack of purchase. These are freshwater pearl crosses with 18 karat gold plated enamel around it. Each one has its own unique shape. They're not all the same. Generally, what we would just do is attach one jump ring to connect the two. But in this case, if we were to only attach one jump ring, the cross would sit sideways like this, and we don't want that. So in this case, we're gonna have to attach two little jump rings so that it sits facing forward. Using your set of pliers, all you need to do is open up the jump ring side to side, attach it to the bottom loop of the ring, and close it up. And when you're closing up the jump ring, you want to make sure that you're pushing your hands closer together and you hear a slight click like that. Pass the ring and come back to where they meet. And that click will indicate that there's no opening left behind on the jump ring. So we want to make sure that we fully close off the jump ring. So essentially all we're doing in this method is opening and closing up jump rings. But the cool thing is you can totally personalize this to any charm of your choice at the bottom. The jump rings that I'm using are extremely little. If it is your first time making jewelry, this could be a little bit more difficult to work with. So you could always opt for a larger jump ring as well, which would be easier to open and close. This is what the final look will be with the jump ring attachments. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually use the larger jump ring for the second side so you can see the difference in size comparison from a larger jump ring to a smaller jump ring. So just close up the ring, hear that little click, pass it, and then come back to where they meet. Open up the jump ring and attach it to the loop that you just attached, and then to your cross loop, and then use your pliers to close it up. And this is what it will look like with a larger jump ring. I love how it adds such a statement. It's perfect for tops that you don't really want to wear a necklace with, but you want to make a statement with your jewelry. They're also not so heavy, so it doesn't feel like it's going to break my earlobe. The most beautiful part about it is you can totally personalize the bottom to any charm or jewelry piece of your choice. You can add a chain at the bottom or even just a Baroque pearl. You can do it so that you add a chain connecting to two of the earrings and then have it as a double earring with two piercings. So the options are limitless. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got inspired to create your own piece. I'll be sure to link all the parts to make this down below in the description, so you can just click the link and it'll redirect you to our shop. We do also offer free shipping on orders $100 or more. And if you do live outside of California and we ship it to you, you will automatically get tax free. Thanks for watching. Bye.